What is going on, guys? Muscle Made back here with another video. Today we're going to be painting the Corvette. We're going to be sanding it and everything and paint it today. So just going to get everything sanded, finished, primered, and then just going to get it painted. So you guys stay tuned. And yeah, we got the bumper. Just need to sand this. We'll be sanding this with the 400. Guys, he's sanding that bumper right there. We'll go ahead and sand the door. So I'm going to blend it up to right here. So I'm going to be sanding this with a 1500. And he's sanding that. We're going to finish that bumper off. So I got that passenger door sanded down, everything's sanded down, the whole front end, got the bumper sanded. So yeah, next step's gonna be primer. We're gonna go get the paint for the Corvette. I got this just to match it up. I'm gonna hop in the Mustang. Let's go. Pretty weak. Alright guys, we're here. Just gonna go inside and grab the paint real quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we just primered that front bumper, taping everything up and taping the front end off. Alright guys, so here we go. We got 3 base coats on the car. Next step is just the clear coat. We got the bumper right over there. And then the next step is just gonna be the clear coat. And then we should just be good after the clear coat, and we'll see how it comes out, and I'll show you guys here either tonight or tomorrow how everything came out. But yeah, that's what's going on right now, just getting the base coat down and just trying to let it sit and dry. And then that car right behind us getting painted as well. Almost the same color, it's kind of a more brighter red. This is more of a maroonish red. But yeah, both of these are getting painted. That's a customer's car, this is ours. And yeah, that's our rebuild project. And 6.6 Corvette, if you guys don't know, 07 LS2 6.0 liter. It is a 6-speed. Alright guys, we got the clear going on right now. First coat of the clear coat. As you guys can see, don't want to get too close, but yeah, there you guys go. Clear coat has been laid down. Got the Corvette done. As you guys can see, it came out very nice. The other car came out good as well. As you guys can see, this was a brighter red than the Corvette here. But yeah, this one came out good. This was a customer's car, and it was damaged right there. Can't even tell where it was damaged. But yeah, this one came out good as well. Complete for tonight. And yeah, that's about it for the Vette. Probably maybe buff it just to make it more shinier. We'll see tomorrow how the paint looks and everything. So we'll let it dry overnight, and we'll look at it tomorrow and see how it came out fully in the sun and everything. But yeah, that's it for tonight. This is the next day after that paint day. So as you guys can see, the Corvette came out looking real good. Paint is matching up very nice, as you guys can see. And overall it came out real good. Got it right next to the Mustang 5.0. But yeah, this is gonna wrap up this video, and then this is gonna continue on to the next video. We're probably gonna buff it and wet sand it just to get any imperfections that were on the paint when we did paint it, because when you do paint a car, it doesn't always come out perfect. So yes, we will be wet sanding and buffing some parts of the Corvette. Of the video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, stick around, and see you guys in the next video. Be sure to stay tuned, and yeah, stay tuned. We got another build coming, so see you guys in the next video. Later.